How to reset or revoke staff passwords. In this video, we'll guide you through resetting or revoking a staff password. You might need to reset a password if a staff member has trouble accessing their account, or revoke access if they are no longer part of the team. Let's start by navigating to the staff module. Locate the staff member whose access needs updating or password needs resetting. Open their profile and select Reset Password if you wish to change the password. You can now input the new password. Make sure to adhere to the password requirements. Once you're done, click Reset. The password will be reset immediately. To remove a staff member's access, click on the staff member. Click the Revoke Login icon. A success message will confirm that the process was completed, meaning the staff member's login is now disabled. You'll notice that the Create Login option is available again, should you need to restore access in the future. Thank you for watching.